Welcome to the Stand By Me course on violence against women and girls. This course was created by Amnesty International Hungary in partnership with Amnesty International Italy, Poland, and Slovenia, Fondazione Bruno Kessler, and the University of Trentu. This course is part of the Stand By Me 2 project funded by the European Commission. My name is Maya Fenyvesi and I'm a Human Rights Education Project Coordinator at Amnesty International Hungary. On behalf of all project partners, I am so pleased that you have joined us. Despite the advancements of women's rights and gender equality in many parts of the world, about 1/3 of women worldwide have been subject of gender-based violence at least once in their lives. Exercising control over women, female sexuality, and gender identity is still often seen as central to maintain social order, and it is used to reinforce and ensure unequal patriarchal social structures. Laws, policies, and practices that violate women's and girls' human rights prevent them from being able to take part equally in society with men. It keeps them from accessing education, healthcare, employment, and from participating in politics. In this 90-minute course, you will begin to explore and name the root causes of violence against women and girls, and explain it is a human rights issue. Throughout the course, you will hear stories from activists who are working to end violence against women and girls. And through these stories, you will learn some ways to raise awareness to the issue and how to talk about it with others. Gender norms and hierarchies work to the detriment of women and those who do not conform to the dominant norms because of their gender identity or sexual orientation. However, it is also important to recognize that they also have damaging impact on the whole population, regardless of gender identity, expression, or sexual orientation. Addressing and ending violence against women and girls concerns all of us. We all have a part to play. We hope that after taking this course, you come away with the knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed to challenge harmful gender norms and stereotypes, and you will work towards a future where violence against women and girls is no longer a persistent threat.